You guys want to see my new favorite hobby? It's really fun. You go outside on the balcony and then you people watch. Sorta hard to do when there's no people outside. What is up? We are back with another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so excited to see your beautiful faces. It's been a couple days and I have missed you. Yes, sorry, I was just busy spending the last 48 hours cleaning up all of my Jordan 1s after we made that collection video. Literally all I've done for the past 2 days. I'm kidding, it didn't take 48 hours. It took like 45. I am in a great mood today because while I may not be in New York, one of my favorite things in the world arrived in the mail today, my boosted board. I needed to ship it back to Canada because it's a giant battery and you can't fly with giant batteries, so I needed to spend $68 to ship it back, which sort of sucked, but now it is here and I'm so excited. I hope all you guys are having an absolutely amazing day as much as I am. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications while you're at it. If you really want to get crazy, you could give me a follow on Instagram at TomStefanik. I would really appreciate you guys joining the family over there. Not being in an apartment for, the majority of a year, you sort of forget what you have laying around in it and you just find some new treasures and you're like, oh, I forgot I owned that. I've had a couple instances of that this week. I found some amazing shoes that I had no clue I owned. I also found a bag of goldfish sitting in my kitchen cupboard. I don't know how long goldfish last. Oh yeah, we're good. They're good until August. Nice. Check these out. Now, one of these I forgot I owned, one of them I didn't forget I owned, and then one of them I knew I owned, but I thought I had sold in the past, and they were just sort of chilling in my second bedroom there. The first of which is, I could never forget that I own these, because they're so ridiculous looking. These are some Lunar Force Air Force One Londons. They have the latitude and longitude of London on the inside there, and I really don't know what the plaid has to do with London. It looks much more like a Scottish kilt or tartan than it does having to do anything with London. I'm not sure what the inspiration was, except this is one of the ugliest pairs of shoes that I own in the best way possible. Like, this is a great Christmas shoe. This is a great go cut down some trees in the wilderness shoe. This is a great go to a microbrewery and grow your beard out shoe. Like, there's so many applications for it. Plus, they're really comfortable because it's a Lunarlon midsole instead of the regular rubber midsole for Air Force Ones. Now, these ones I knew I had, but I thought I had sold them and they were just sort of hanging out. It was a really nice surprise to see these, and one of my favorite shoes that I bought in like the early days of my collection, the Kobe 8 Milk Snakes. What just fell out of them? Something just fell out of them. Huh. No dead bugs or limbs or anything. I think we're good. This is a really good pair of shoes, the Kobe 8 Milk Snake. Back when Kobe's and back when Nike basketball was like a really sought after thing. RIP Kobe Bryant. Really amazing shoe. I think the Kobe 8 is probably one of my favorite Kobe's to release. Just so cool, so low top and sleek. And like I said, when these were releasing, they were hard to get. They sold out the day they came out. Like basketball shoes, LeBron's, KD's, Kobe's, even some mellow colorways sold out. Like, these were not easy shoes to get. You needed to be up early on release date if you wanted to get a pair of Nike basketball shoes. And then they had some colorways that were like the big GR colorways, so like everyone would be able to get them, but most colorways sold out very quickly back then. What year would these release? Kobe 8s would have been when I was in 10th grade, like 2012, 2013, somewhere around there. These are old. Now, moving on to the ones that I really have no memory of purchasing. I don't know where these came from. I don't know why I have them. As you can see, it is a pair of Off-Whites, and it is none other than the Off-White Air Force Ones. Don't know where these came from. Don't know when I bought them. I'll have to look through my my ledger book of my shoes and figure out why I own these, how much I paid for them. I don't know where they're from. Very nice pair of shoes though. I mean, I don't think I need to say much more. It's a pair of Off-White Air Force Ones and they just mystically appeared in my closet. So since I don't know why I have these, I think it's only right that we put these in the July mystery box. By the way, if you want to buy the July mystery box, there's a link in the description. Go pick one up. I'd really appreciate it, and I'm sure you guys would appreciate it as well. So, moving on from there, we have a really exciting delivery coming today that I cannot wait for. I mean, I guess I sort of have to wait for it because I have absolutely no other alternative. I just need to sit here and hang out and twiddle my thumbs and read a book. Maybe I'll read a book. This is a pretty good book. It's by Michael Lewis. It's exciting. I'll just get back to you guys when it shows up. I'm not going to tell you about a book.
Hello, hello.
Nice! Guys, this is my dad. If you haven't met my dad, here is my dad.
Hi, guys.
I don't know why. You dressed like a Miami drug dealer. Thank you for the milk. Thank you for the shoes.
You're welcome.
We're mostly thankful for the shoes here. Boom! Here we go. So as I referenced earlier in the video, I did a full Jordan 1 collection of all of my Jordan 1s, and that got me looking, that got me thinking, what are some Jordan 1s that I don't have that I would like to have? Most of them were insanely expensive. We're talking $2,000, $8,000, $4,000, $1,500. Lots of dollars. And I didn't really want to spend that, but there was a couple pairs that sort of fit within the realm of reasonable prices. And I started looking just locally on some different websites, on Kijiji, on Facebook Marketplace, and I found myself a pair that I used to have, that I got rid of, that I sort of regretted getting rid of, and then didn't think about it all until I did the Jordan 1 collection and thought, I really want a pair of these in my collection. So here they are, and I'm very excited to take a look at these. So I'm operating on good faith. The guy that I purchased these from, I bought probably half a dozen pairs of shoes from before. So I just got him to bring them by my dad's place. My dad just gave him cash for them. It was very simple, very easy, and I doubt he'll scam me because, I mean, I've driven to his house before to pick up shoes. So if he wants to rip me off, I know where he lives, and I mean, I don't have that many scary looking friends, but I have a couple scary looking friends. All right, eyes closed. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, what do we have in here? Does it come with the, oh, that's too bad. It doesn't come with the towel. It does not come with the towel, except I felt the extra laces and just amazing. Wow, great quality. These are like brand new. He said worn twice. These are brand new. There's like little specks of dust. No creasing. Absolutely incredible. Jordan 1 Gatorade orange. This is the only one out of the pack that I would even come close to wearing. It comes with white laces as well. It comes with a little hang tag as well with the Gatorade logo. So this is supposed to come with a sweat towel, like a Gatorade sweat towel. All the Jordan Gatorades came with such a towel. This doesn't. A little bit bummed out about that. Not the end of the world, to be completely honest. I love how the inside of the box says "Be like Mike." There's just so many cool things. Mike right there instead of Gatorade. Just so many cool little details. And my favorite has to be the Gatorade on the bottom of the shoe. Something that you're not going to see when you're wearing them, except just a very unique, cool little touch. So they had these. They had the lime green ones. I'm not going to get the flavors right. I don't drink a ton of Gatorade. I just think these are cool. They had the lime green ones. They had the purple ones, and then they had the bright blue ones. And the orange ones are my favorite. They're the only ones that I actually like wear. I think when I think Gatorade, I think orange. I don't know why. I think green and orange. So I don't know. Oh yeah, they do come with green laces. So that could actually be pretty interesting to put the green laces in, because that's what I think of when I think of Gatorade. I don't think of blue. I don't think of bright green. I don't think of purple. I think of orange and the packaging and the branding of classic Gatorade. And these fit perfectly, and I was able to get them for like $10 over retail, which is great because the price has actually gone up on these significantly. And this is a great pair of shoes to add into the collection. It's bright, it's out there. This is not like an everyday wear pair of shoes by any means, but it is something that's very unique that I can get behind and just wear on the right occasions, which is sort of what I picked these up for. This is not a daily wear shoe at all. That being said though, guys, what do you think of this pair of shoes? I'm curious to hear from you guys in the comment section below. So many cool little details on this shoe, and the leather quality is actually very, very good as well. These sold out fairly quick when they released originally in Winnipeg. I know they sat in the States a little bit longer, and some of the colorways, I think especially the purple one, actually ended up going on sale. They just were not very popular, except they were always something that I enjoyed. I picked up a few of the colorways on release and ended up letting them go out of my collection, but now I have one back. So yeah, what do you think? Drop a comment down below giving me your full and unadulterated thoughts on this pair of shoes. I think they are very cool, and this is a Jordan 1 that I absolutely needed to add into the collection. So that being said, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you want to follow me on Instagram, link in the description, as well as the July mystery box, because I mean, we're putting in a pair of off-white Air Force Ones, which is pretty exciting. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, I love you, and peace.